In this video, I'm gonna show you how to design a complete Shopify website for your clothing brand step by step, from choosing the right theme, adding product collections, customizing your homepage, to setting up your brand colors and fonts. Everything you need to make your online store look professional and ready to sell. First of all, open any browser and go to shopify.com. When you go to their website, then if you don't have any account, then click on start for free and sign up here with your Google account or Facebook account, and you will get 3 days free trial here. I have an account, that's why I'm just gonna click on login, and then I just need to select my Google account or Facebook account, and I'll be redirected to Shopify dashboard. Now before we design our store, we need to firstly add some products to our store. To do that, we need to go to the left hand menu and click on products, and under it you'll see all the products you currently have on your clothing brand. So I currently have added 4 products here just to show you an example. Now if you wanna add any product, then click on add product from the top, and then it will show us this page. You can add the title for your product, add description, choose the images you wanna add for your product, then choose the category, set the price, and then you can do all of these things here. Once you've done all of these things, then just click on save and your product will be added, but I have already added mine. Now to customize or design our Shopify store, we need to go to the online store section, which will be under sales channel. When we go in it, then we need to go to themes section, and under it you can see by default Shopify will use this Dawn theme. If you wanna customize it, then click on customize. But if you want to use different kind of template, then scroll down here and click on visit theme store, and it will show you all the themes they currently have on their theme store. If you want to search for a specific term such as fashion store or t-shirt design, then for that use the search bar and search for the term you are looking for, and then they will show you the results according to your search term. But I don't want to do it. You can see different types of themes here, but if I want to go for this theme, then it will cost around $320 in order to use this theme. But I'm looking for a free theme. For that we can just filter it by free, or you can also filter it by different kind of things like garden, hardware, home, jewelry. But I'm just gonna filter it by free, and then it will show us all the free themes here which can be used without any additional charges. So I'm just going for this one, that's why I'm just gonna select it from here. And if you wanna see the demo here, for that we just need to click on view demo, and you can see the whole website here. Now to try this theme, we need to click on try theme from the top, and then they will install this theme on our Shopify dashboard. And once the theme is installed, we need to click on publish. To use this theme, again click on publish, and the theme will be used for your online store. Now let's say I wanna customize this theme according to my clothing brand, such as changing the text, changing the images. So to do that, we need to click on customize next to our theme, and it will take us to Shopify editor. On this editor we can customize everything related to our page. So let's say I want to change this text, then that can be done from here. If I want to change any section position, then that can be done from here too. First of all, let's understand the interface. Now currently I am on the home page, and to see that we can see here on the top of our screen. If you want to switch to any different page, then for that click here, and let's say I want to go to product page, then I can click on product and select the default product here, and it will load the product page here, and I can edit all the things which I want to edit here, to change any color or to change the position of this buy it now button, or changing the color of this add to cart button. So everything can be done from this preview screen. So first of all, let's switch back to our home page from here like this. Now when you select any of the element here, let's say I want to change this text element, then for that I just need to select the text element here, and on the right hand panel I can see all the customization related things according to the selected element. So I have selected my text element here, that's why I can see all the text customization options here. Let's say I want to change my text, then for that I need to select my text like this, and now I can add the text which I want to add. I want to add my channel name, which is LearnLite Express, and I can type that from here. If you want to bold your text, then firstly select your text like this, then click on this bold icon to bold it. If you want to italic it, then click on the italic icon, and you can do all of these things like you want. If you want to change the layout, then click on fill or fit by choosing your choice. Then you can choose the max width here. To change the font, select preset and choose the font of your choice. So let's go with this one, and you can choose the type you want from here. You can also change the appearance here. If you want to have a background, then enable the background option, and the background will be added, and you can choose the color, you can choose the corner radius, but I don't want to have it, that's why I'm just gonna disable it. And you can see all the things here. If you want to remove any of the element, then for that select that element here, and on the bottom side of the right hand panel you can see remove block option. Click on it and that particular element will be deleted. Now to save these changes, we just have to click on save from the top right corner, and the changes will be saved. If you want to see the mobile view of your site, then for that click on this mobile icon from the top right, and then it will show you the mobile view here, and you can scroll through here to see all the changes you did. If you want to see the full screen view, then click on the full screen icon and it will show us the full screen. I'm just gonna go back to my desktop view here. Now on the left hand side we can see different kind of elements which are available on our home page, because currently I'm on my home page and I can see all the sections I currently have on this page, such as header section. If I click on it, then it will highlight the header section here. Then after that we have this main menu section which is here. And now if I want to change this hero section, then I can just select that section here and then I can see all the customizations here. If I want to change the image here, then for that I need to select the section first. Then on the right hand menu we can choose the type which we wanna have for our header. So let's say I want to use a video here, then I can select video. If I want to have an image, then I can select the image here. Then click on select from here and upload the image which you wanna use for your hero section. So I'm just gonna select this image, then click on done, and the image will be added on your hero section like this. In case you wanna add different section on your home page, then for that firstly make sure that you have selected correct page from here. And to add a section here, I just need to hover between two sections like this, and then I'll see add section button here. I can just click on it and it will open this new window, and you can search for the section you wanna add, and you can see all the section types here, such as in banner section I have this hero section, and you can see the preview here. If I want to add a large logo, then I can see the preview here. You can add marquee section and it will display like this. You can show some announcement or discount related things on this marquee section. So let's say I want to insert this FAQ section, then I can just click on it and that section will be inserted on my home page like this. To change the position of this FAQ section, I can just go to the left hand panel and I can drag this FAQ section and place it anywhere I want. So you can place it like this. So I want to place it over footer like this. I can just leave it there and the section will be inserted here. If you want to change the question here, then for that select that question, and on the right hand panel you can customize your own question. So I want to add here, when will I receive my order? And to answer this question we need to tap on this drop down arrow and then repeat the same process. Select your text first and on the right hand panel give your answer, and then the answer will be changed to, and just like that our question and answer will be changed under FAQ section. And you can go through the same process for changing different questions and answers. Now I have added the FAQ section here. Now let's say I want to change the shop now button. So for that I can just select the button here and you can label the button as you want. So I want to name it to buy now. So I can just type it here, and then I want to change the style of this button. As you can see it is not visible properly. So to change it we just need to have to change style from here. So I want to switch it to primary, and you can see the button is now properly visible. But I want to change the link of this button. So currently it is linked to my product page. I want to link to my collection page. So to do that we need to firstly select our element from here. Then on the right hand panel we need to select the link which you want to redirect to. So I want to redirect this button to collection page. So for that I'll select collection from here. But currently I haven't added any collections on my store. So to add any collection we need to right click on this exit icon and then click on open new tab, and it will take us to Shopify dashboard. So it will be easier for us to switch back and forth between these two tabs, so that we don't need to go back from here and then do some changes and go back to editor page. So we can just open a new tab here, then go to the product section, under it click on collections, and now to add a collection we need to click on add collection here. Then name your collection. So I want to title it hoodies. So I'll just type the hoodie collection here. Then type the description of your collection, then choose the collection type. If you want to add your products inside this collection manually, then select the first option. But if you want to add it smartly, then select the smart option, so that it will automatically add your preferred products into this collection. So I just want to add it manually. I have selected it. Then add the products. So my first product is dark hoodie. So I can just type the dark hoodie here, and then this is the dark hoodie. I can select it, then click on add. And the second product I want to add in this collection is a denim hoodie. So I can just search that here, and then you can see the hoodie here, and both the products are now added. Now to add an image for them, we can just click on add image, then select the image and click on done, and the collection image has been successfully uploaded here. So to save these changes we can click on save from the top, and the collection will be successfully added inside our Shopify store. You can go through the same process for adding different kind of collections on your store. Now we need to go back to our Shopify editor, and now I need to select this element, and on the right hand panel I can just link it to my collections, and under it you can see hoodie collection has been added here. I can just select that from here, and now whenever someone clicks on this button here, they will be redirected to my hoodie collection like this. So this is how you can link your buttons to different collections or different pages. Now I want to change this menu options. So to do that, we need to open our Shopify dashboard, and under it we need to go to the content section, then go to the menus options, and under it you'll see all kind of menus you currently have on your site. So this is the menu I want to change. So for that I'll just select that from here. So firstly I want to get rid of these three menus. So for that I'll just tap on this trash can icon, then click on remove, again click on trash can icon, remove, trash can icon, and remove. So I have removed all the items here. Now to add our own menus, we can click on add menu item. So let's say I want to add a search menu, then I can just type here search, and then under link we need to select search from here, then click on save, and the menu will be added here. Similarly you can click on add menu item again, and let's say I want to add a menu button for main items, then for that I can just type here main, and under link I can select all the main items I currently have on my site. So let's say I want to add a collection of main, then I can just select the collections from here, then choose the main collection, and that collection will be added on this label menu. Then I can just click on save, and both of the items are now added on my site. If I go back to my Shopify editor and refresh the page, you can see both the items are now added. So if someone clicks on this main menu, then they will be redirected to the main hoodies collection I have added on my site. And if you want to change the theme for your site, then firstly I need to go back to my home page like this, and now let's say I want to change the color theme. Then for that I need to click on this theme settings icon, and under it you can see all the theme settings you currently have for your site, such as if you want to change the logo of your site. So this is the current logo I have on my site. So to change it we need to expand this logo and favicon option, and under it upload the logo file here. So we just need to click on select and select the logo you want to select here, and then upload it on your site. Similarly you can add a favicon here. So if you don't know what is favicon, basically favicon is an image which will be shown on the left hand side of your tab. Currently you can see this is the favicon image of this window, and this is the favicon image of this window. So similarly you can add your own favicon image of your company logo, and that will be shown on the left hand side of your tab. If you want to change the color theme of your site, then expand the colors option and choose the color scheme you want to have. So let's say I want to go for this scheme, and customize all the colors according to your clothing brand's need. So you can do that from here. Now I want to go back from here. Now expand typography, and under it if I select body font, then I can select the font which I want to use for the body font. So let's say I want to go with this one, then I can select it, and after that the font of this text will be changed to the font I have selected here. And basically you can go through the same process for changing the font for your subheading, heading, accent. Similarly you can change all of these theme settings here. If you want to change your page layout, then expand the page layout option and choose the page type you want to have. You can similarly explore animations here. If you want to add animations, then enable the page transition option here, and the animation will be added. Similarly you can explore all of these options on your own and customize your website accordingly. Now I have shown you all the necessary things which can be used for customizing your clothing brand store. If you want to edit anything, then for that select that particular element, and on the right side of it you will see all the customization options which can be used for customizing that particular selected element. If you want to switch any page, then for that click on this page from here and choose the page which you wanna edit from here. Now before we publish our site, we need to firstly preview it on our mobile screen so that it looks perfect on our mobile screen too. For that click on this mobile icon from here and preview your website on mobile screen. Shopify templates are mobile responsive, so that if you made any changes on your desktop screen, it will be applied on your mobile screen too, so that you don't need to change any things on your mobile screen. If it is not in your case, then you can adjust the things on your mobile screen, and if you do any changes on your mobile screen, it won't affect your desktop view at all. Now to save these changes, we have to click on save, and then our website will be published with this design. To see the proper preview, we need to go back to our Shopify dashboard. Under it go to themes and click on these three dots, and then we need to click on preview, and it will load a preview for us, and you can see all the preview here. I have added this frequently asked questions section. So I have shown you all the things. If you have any doubt, then leave a comment down this video. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.